Good morning, my green friends. Let's look at a very grounded fruit which is found across most Indian gullies, outside schools, and with basket carrying vendors in the old markets. This is the jujube or the bear, also called the apple bale. The jujube is a small deciduous tree whose height may vary from 4 to 10 meters. Its height is changeable as per the growing bag or container as well. Bear has thorny spines all across and about 20 small green-white flowers which develop into meaty egg-shaped fruits on maturity. These fruits turn greenish in infancy, yellow in youth, and brick red in color when completely ripened. Bear cultivation spans across northern and central Africa, Middle Eastern Asia, and wide plains of India. This tree is largely a warm and dry climate thorny bush. However, it can survive cool weather below 0 degrees Celsius as well. These roots require a lot of sun to bolt. Most gardeners and horticulturists might want to soak these seeds and grow directly through them. However, getting a grafted plant from a nursery would help you grow them as per the size of a planter and local climate. The reason for calling it an apple bear is that the fruit follows the texture of an apple fruit. When it is green and fresh, the fruit is crunchy and juicy, and as it grows mature, it becomes reddish outside and pulpy inside. You shall find several cosmetic products in the market made from jujube since its texture is extremely friendly. Jujube contains many minerals such as magnesium, copper, manganese and potassium which improve osteoporosis and overall bone health. Vitamin C and unsaturated fatty acids present in jujube fruit have an anti-aging effect and prevent us from certain cancers. Lord Sri Ram was said to have been fed amazingly sweet bear by his devotee, a tribal woman named Shabri, during his quest to search for Mother Sita. Go ahead and get some bear plants for your garden today. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.